Hey everyone, and welcome to Yoga with Rachel. Today we have a quick office break yoga flow in store for us that will leave us feeling energized, productive, and happy. All right, let's get started. Okay, so come to sit near the middle of your seat, and if it is available, feel free to rest your feet firmly on the earth. Let's breathe in together and out. 2 more times, breathe in. And out. Breathe in and out. All right, let's draw some circles with our nose. Getting some movement in our neck to work out any kinks or stiffness that may have built up throughout our day. And then reverse your circle. And then we eventually bring our head back over our heart space. Drop your right ear towards your right shoulder and then gently place your right hand on your head. Breathe in and out. Now roll your chin on down towards your right armpit chest as you look down at the floor. Breathe in and out. Now roll your chin up towards the sky, towards the left side as you look up. Breathe in and out. Release that, dropping your left ear towards your left shoulder, placing your left hand on your head. Breathe in and out. Now rolling your chin down towards your left armpit chest area, looking down. Breathe in and out. And then rolling your chin up towards the sky, towards the right side. Breathe in and out. Release that, floating your hand back down to your side. Send your arms from left to right and then bend at your elbows. Bring your hands back in space, palms facing forward. So we're kind of making a W shape here. On our next breath in, sending the hands up towards the sky, spreading through those fingers, making a Y shape. And then exhale to bend. 2 more times, breathe in. Hands go to the sky, and then exhale, bend. 1 more time, breathe in and out. Hands float back down to your sides, and now let's swim our hands back and behind us, interlacing our fingers. And now reach your hands towards your seat and then away from your body. So feel free to bring the palms nice and together, or you can keep them square, your choice. So this is an excellent stretch, especially if we've been working at the computer for a long period of time. It does counteract the rounding that may take place in our shoulders. So we're getting a nice opening in our chest. Breathe in and out. All right, relax this a little bit, but we're still going to keep our hands together. And now just bring your hands over towards the left side, your left hip. Now drop your left ear towards your left shoulder once again. Breathe in and out. 1 more time, breathe in and out. All right, now bring your hands over towards our right hip, dropping your right ear towards your right shoulder. Maybe even just relaxing the shoulders away from the ears a little bit more. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now bring your hands back to center and we release, placing our hands on our knees. On our next breath in, let's shine our heart center forward, loop our shoulders, tuck in the chin slightly. So we're finding a seated cow pose. And then exhale, begin to round through, belly button towards the spine, chin towards your chest. Breathe in to come forward, look forward. And then exhale to round through. So getting some spinal hygiene here. 1 more time, breathe in. And out. Wonderful. All right. Let's drape our right ankle over top of our left thigh, and now begin to rotate through your ankle. Getting some movement now in the lower half of our body. So feel free to stay here nice and lifted, growing tall through the spine, or you can place your forearms on top of your right leg, so stacking them, and then hinge forward at the hip. Tuck in the chin and then look directly down at the earth. So right here, you may be feeling a nice hip stretch in our right side. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right, let's rise on up and take it over to the other side. So now our left ankle will be resting on our right thigh. You can rotate through your ankle, maybe hearing some snap, crackle, and pop action. So there is an option to stay here lifted, or again, you can stack your forearms on top of one another and then on top of your left leg, and then hinge forward slightly. So notice that this side may feel a little bit different. It's all good. Regardless of where you are, we're getting a nice stretch in the lower half of our body. Let's breathe in together and out. Breathe in and out. Wonderful. Release that. Left foot goes back to the earth. On our next breath in, sending the hands up towards the sky, fingertips come together, and then exhale, fold it on down, rain it down. Fingertips come to the earth, or maybe even the full hand, your choice. And now begin to bow your head, chin towards your chest, allowing your head to just simply hang loose here. There is an option to do this forward fold standing. While we are here, I invite you to imagine that tension is just simply spilling off your back body, falling into the earth. Perhaps even close your eyes just to visualize this. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. On our next breath in, let's send our hands up and towards the sky. Fingertips come together, and then exhale, hands come to heart in prayer position. Bow your head, chin towards your chest, getting a nice stretch in the backs of our neck. One final breath in together. Let's breathe in through our nose, and then maybe empty it out through the mouth. All right. Well, I really do hope that you enjoy today's office break yoga flow and that you're feeling energized, happy, and super productive. Enjoy the rest of your day at work. Take care and namaste.